5 legit ways to make 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira weekly with just your phone. If you have a smartphone and internet access, there is absolutely no reason you should not be making at least 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira every single week. Not in theory, not from motivational quotes. I am talking about practical, realistic methods that people in Nigeria are already using. The problem is not that opportunity does exist. The problem is that most people either chase unrealistic platform or they start something and stop after 3 days. In this video, I will show you 5 legit ways to make 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira weekly using just your phone. No laptop, no huge capital, just strategy and consistency. If you are serious about improving your income this year, hit the like button right now and comment "I'm ready" in the comment section here. Go to the comment section and comment "I'm ready" so that I will know those of you that are ready. Now, without more further ado, let's get into it. Many Nigerians are tired. Things are expensive, data is expensive, transport is expensive. But instead of building small, consistent income stream, most people jump from one urgent 200k in 24 hours scheme to another. That is why they get frustrated. What I'm about to share with you is not magic. It is not overnight weight. But if you focus and stay consistent, 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira weekly is very realistic. So let's start with number one is micro task and survey platform. There are platforms that pay you for completely small tasks, things like survey, app testing, short review, or simple data verification. Example of those apps are Clickworker, Google Opinion Reward, Remote Task. These are platforms where you can do surveys and you get paid for it. And here's how this platform work properly. First, sign up and complete your profile carefully. Many people rush this part and get disqualified from better paying tasks. Secondly, dedicate 1 to 2 hours daily, maybe in the evening or during your free time. Third, focus on consistency. Even if you are earning small amounts daily, it adds up weekly. If you combine 2 platforms and stay consistent, making 5,000 naira weekly is very possible. Number two is social media freelancing. Yes, you don't need to be an expert before you can start social media freelancing. Businesses in Nigeria are looking for people to manage Instagram page, design simple cover posts, reply to DMs, write captions for them. You can offer these services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even by directly messaging small business owner on Instagram. Start small. Offer to manage a page for 10,000 naira monthly. Just one client alone already cover your 5,000 naira weekly target. When I started observing this model closely, I realized something most small brands don't need experts. They need consistency. If you can post regularly and reply to message professionally, you already have value. Now, number three is reselling products online. This one is powerful because it works in Nigeria perfectly and it does not waste time in Nigeria. You can source affordable products, skincare item, gadget, fashion accessory, and sell them on platforms like WhatsApp status, Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, or even Jumia or Konga. You don't need a laptop for this. If your profit per item is 700 naira and you sell just 10 in 1 week, that is 7,000 naira. The key here is choosing product people already need. Don't overcomplicate it. Choose the one that you know that, oh, people are actually searching for it. People are actually buying this. Now, quickly, before we continue, my name is Solo Wise, and on this channel, I show Nigerians how to make money online, build digital skill, and create realistic income without falling for scam. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe right now, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with someone who needs it. Also, I have a Telegram channel where I drop updates, new opportunities, and deeper insights that I don't always share here on YouTube. The link is in the description. Make sure you join us there. Now, let's continue. Number 4 is affiliate marketing using your phone. You don't need a website to start affiliate marketing. Platforms like Jumia Affiliate, Konga Affiliate, Piggyverse referral program pays you commission when someone signs up or buy through your link. Here's a simple step on how you can do it properly and make money from affiliate marketing properly, because I know most of you think that affiliate marketing is no longer working. How can you do it wisely? Choose product people are actually need. create helpful content around them, share your link on WhatsApp, Facebook group, or even short video. If you refer a few people weekly and earn 1,000 to 2,000 naira in commission, you are already moving towards your 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira. Now, coming to number 5. Number 5 is selling simple digital skills. You can use your phone to design with Canva, edit short video with CapCut, or even write simple content. There are students, small brands, and online vendors who need flyers, short video promo, caption writing, basic video editing. If you charge 5,000 naira per design and complete just 3 jobs in a week, that is you making 15,000 naira in just 1 week. The money is not in complexity, it is solving small problem consistently. Now, let's be honest, none of this method will work if you try them for 2 days and stop. The difference between people earning weekly online and those complaining is consistency. Pick one method, not 5, just one. Master it for the next 30 days. If you truly want to change your financial situation, you cannot keep consuming content without taking action. So here's what I want you to do. Subscribe if you haven't, like this video, share it with one serious friend, then join my Telegram channel through the link in the description and start implementing immediately. Opportunities are everywhere. Your phone is already in your hand. The only question is, are you going to use it for scrolling or you are going to use it to build income? The choice is yours. Go to the comment section and let me know what you learned from this video. My name is Slow Wise and I'll be seeing you on my next video. Thanks.